Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We have a new video, behind the scenes, paddock, drivers, team principals, teams getting ready for the Belgian Grand Prix Spa. Best track of Formula 1, we can say that. Or the top 3, let's say the top 3 or top 5 maybe, who knows. Let's watch together, let's go. All right, we see drivers coming with the jets, with planes, private, public, I don't know, business class, first class, Milton, other ones, fans waiting for them to get maybe a picture, maybe an autograph, who knows? Let's go.
Morning, Max.
Morning.
How are you doing today?
Good. It's not raining yet.
Oh, hello, hello. We have Brad Pitt. Maybe they're doing some stunts for the movie. And he's talking with George Russell. Interesting thing. Interesting thing. Let's move on.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I have said it all the time. I'm gonna say it again. I love slow-mo videos. Footage, slow-mo, I think.
Thank you. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.
Hey Lando, you fat. Look at me. Ready, ready. Be fast.
That one, that one.
Well done. And time! And you still didn't win!
I certainly do. Well, I think it's pretty easy, no? We just have I think it's quite warm.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Red Bull. You want to put Red Bull?
You have to put Red Bull?
You like it? Good.
It's a beautiful thing to interact with kids, and they will remember their whole life. Beautiful thing. I love it. What Cheka just did with the kids. Beautiful. Nice one. Nice one. And also I I think, I suspect Ando is not happy with what happened in Hungary, but we will see. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching this video with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and support us because we need you. Until the next one, bye.